Welcome to Kawumi Handmade. I'm so glad you are here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet hexagons and how to join them together. This is such simple yet beautiful idea, perfect for beginners. If you love this 3D flower motif and would like to learn how to crochet it too, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to prepare a tutorial for you. You will also find the link to my small crochet flower tutorial in the top right corner and down below in the description. And of course, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, it really helps my channel grow. Start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the fingers to form a loop. This will be the base for your stitches. Make one single crochet into the ring and chain 1. Together this counts as your first double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the ring, then chain 1. This makes your first small space. Repeat the sequence 2 double crochets, chain 1 5 more times. By the end you should have 6 groups in total, each made of 2 double crochets and a chain 1. Count your groups. If you see 6 spaces and 12 double crochets in total, everything is correct. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring and close the center. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the first chain. This completes round 1. Now you should see a small circle with 6 groups of stitches, separated by chain 1 spaces. Start in the last chain 1 space of round 1, just before the join. Make 1 single crochet and chain 1. This counts as your first double crochet. Next, place 1 double crochet on top of each of the 2 stitches from the previous round. In the next chain 1 space, work double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. This creates a new space and makes the group wider. Continue this pattern all the way around. 1 double crochet in each stitch, then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in each chain 1 space. When you reach the last chain 1 space, remember, there is already your first double crochet in that space, so to finish just make 1 double crochet and chain 1. By the end of round 2, you should have 6 groups, each with 4 double crochets, separated by chain 1 spaces. Close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, into the chain, not into the single crochet. Start in the last chain 1 space of round 2. just before the join. Make 1 single crochet and chain 1. This counts as your first double crochet. Now place 1 double crochet on top of each stitch from the previous round. Since round 2 had groups of 4 stitches, you will make 4 double crochets here. In the next chain 1 space, work double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This expands the group and keeps the pattern growing. Repeat this all the way around. 1 double crochet in each stitch and double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in every chain 1 space. At the last chain 1 space, remember, it already contains your first double crochet. To complete it, just work 1 double crochet and chain 1. You should see 6 groups, each with 6 double crochets. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. From here, every round follows the same pattern. Start in the last chain 1 space with single crochet and chain 1. Then make 1 double crochet in the top of each stitch from the previous round. In every chain 1 space, work double crochet and chain 1, double crochet. In the very last chain 1 space, only make double crochet and chain 1, because the first stitch is already there. Join with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. When you have made the number of rounds you want, don't make the last chain before joining. Instead, cut the working yarn and thread it into a needle. Now find the top of the first double crochet of the round. Insert your needle under both loops, front to back. Then bring the needle back down into the center of the stitch where your yarn tail started. This creates a neat chain on top and closes the round invisibly. Finally, hide the yarn tail on the back side of your work and secure it. Do the same with the tail from the magic ring. Weave it in and trim the excess. Your hexagon motif is finished, with a clean and professional look. Before joining, don't forget to block your hexagons so they look even and lie flat. We will join the hexagons on the wrong side. Start by finding the first double crochet after the chain 1 space on each of the 2 hexagons. Insert your needle only through the loops, the ones facing you, and pull it away from you. Then go into the next pair of loops and bring the needle back towards you. Repeat this back and forth movement until you reach the corner. All hexagons are joined the same way, no matter how many you have. This creates a neat and visible seam on the right side of your work. If you are making a blanket or even a cardigan, you can decorate it with flower motifs, or in any other way you like. I wish you lots of success and inspiration, and thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget give it a like, it really helps my channel grow. See you next time!